Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking your Apple ID is signed into FaceTime. This authenticates you and routes calls. Once done, enable FaceTime in settings and add the phone numbers and email addresses people will use to reach you. Then open the FaceTime app, tap the plus button, and type a contact name, number, or email. This starts the connection process immediately, so you move from setup straight into calling without extra navigation. You select audio or video and tap to place the call. For groups, add multiple contacts up front. During the session, manage the feed. Switch between front and back cameras, mute your microphone, or change speaker output for clarity. Once connected, pinch to zoom your view, tap to reveal reaction controls, and use the Add Person option to bring someone into the conversation. These controls let you shape the experience in real time for better communication. You end a call by tapping the red hang up button. The call logs in recent so you can redial quickly. If video or audio drops, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is stable and that FaceTime has camera and microphone permissions in settings. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID or reboot the device, and, if needed, switch networks. These quick checks resolve most issues so you can return to clear FaceTime conversations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.